Good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed about some examples. Now first question, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has no real roots. Then comment sign of c into a plus b plus c, second a plus b plus c, another bracket 4a minus 2a plus c. Now quadratic equation are given and has no real root. In this case, what will be the sign, positive or negative, of this and this relation? Second question, find the least integral value of m for which angle between the vectors p equal to x square I cap minus 4j cap plus 3m plus 1k cap and another vector q equal to mx square minus xj cap plus k cap is acute for x belongs R. And third question, for what value of A is the inequality ax square plus 2ax plus 0.5 greater than 0 valid throughout the number line. Now, first of all, we take the first questions. A quadratic equations ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let us suppose that fx बराबर ax square plus bx plus c has no real roots. It means that so that d less than 0. As we know that if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac but 2a. One root for these equations taking plus and another root taking minus, and here has no real root. It means that the value of d, that is equal to b square minus 4ac less than 0, अर्थात here negative value gain. Hence two graph may be possible. In this case, if d less than 0, in this case two graph may be possible, first and second. Our shape of parabola either upward direction or downward directions in the case of d less than 0. Now putting in the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and f0 x, we put the x equal to 0, f0 a, this is 0, only c, here f0 equal to c, and f1 at the point f0 equal to c, here this point f0 equal to c, that is the parabola 0 and c, this point 0 and c. Here f equal to 1, putting in this x equal to 1, putting in this polynomial here a, and this is 1, a plus b plus c, and f1 equal to f1 a plus 1 per a plus b plus c, and f minus 2 here, putting the value of minus 2 in the polynomial x square 2 to the 4a minus 2b plus c, here f minus 2 equal to 4a minus 2b plus c. Now we have comment of sign of c into a plus b. C here, this is c, value of c, and this is a plus b plus c. Now c into a plus b plus c also the positive, so that this is a greater than 0. First part is proof. And second part जो है product of a plus b plus c into 4a minus 2b. Here 4a minus 2b plus c. 4a minus 2b plus c. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इतना इतना इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, हमेशा क्या होगा, ये पॉजिटिव होगा. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस एंड दिस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, सो दैट a plus b plus c 4a minus 2b plus c is greater than 0. Second part proved. Similarly, if we take the here two type of parabola possible, this and this is this, and in this case also we check this coordinate that if put the x is equal to 0 in the polynomial, we get minus c, and now we take a point 1 and this, so that c into a plus b plus c greater than 0, and a plus b plus c plus 4a minus 2b plus c product is also greater than 0, and so on. Next. Now second question, find the least integral value of m for which angle between the vectors p equal to x square I cap minus 4j cap plus 3m plus 1k cap and q equal to m I cap x j cap plus k cap is acute for x belongs R. Now least integral value, we have to find least integral value. Now here given one vector p this type and vector q this type is acute. It means that theta belongs 0 to pi by 2 for all x belongs R. We have to show that. Now we know that p dot q is equal to mod of p plus mod of p into mod of q cos theta. This is the vectors formula, and such type of questions we solve in the vectors. Now here cos theta equal to p vector p dot vector q. This is the dot position जो है, vector p dot vector q divided by vector p mod of p and mod of q. Here this is a mod, this is a positive quantity, this is positive quantity, and putting the value of p here, this is the value of p and this is the value of q. This is the value of p and this is the value of q divided by this and this. This is a positive quantity and this is positive quantity, and now dot in dot form I j dot k equal to 1 and I dot j dot k or k dot I that is equal to 0. It means that I dot I, it means that x I cap and m I cap this become 1, and if I cap and j cap that is 0, so that we take m x square, and here minus plus 4x and 3m plus 1 into 1. That is, this is a positive, so that this quantity is greater than this quantity greater than cos theta greater than 0. This is value of cos theta greater than 0. Now m greater than 0 and d less than 0, we take such type of figures. As you know that we take according to our desired figures, these figures m greater than 0 and d less than 0. D less than 0, d means b square minus 4ac. D less than 0, d less than 0. B square minus 4ac less than 0. B here b square, b, comparing this ax square plus bx plus c. Here b product of coefficient of x, here coefficient of x, that is coefficient of x is equal to 4, b equal to 4 ka square minus 4ac, 4 into a here m and c, this part is c, 4m, 3m plus 1. Now 4 is 16 and 4m or 3m plus 1, and on dividing 4, here only 4 is cancelled, and multiply this and this, minus 3m square, and this minus our m. Now less than 0, now we multiply minus, so that 3m square positive, this is positive, this negative, and inequality change, less than, here greater than 0, and now factorize it. Now factorize it, 3m square plus m, 3m square plus m, 3m square plus m, and minus 4 3 are 12, and 3m square plus 4m minus 3m minus 4, here m is common, 3m plus 4, and here minus 1 is common, 3m plus 4. Now factor 3m plus 4 and m minus 1. 3m plus 4 and m minus 1. This is a factor of our polynomial, and putting this here we take m minus 1 equal to 0, m equal to 1, m is equal to 1, and 3m, m equal to minus 4 by 3, and this is a greater than, then we take the positive area, this is the positive area, plus minus plus, here m belongs, here is negative side, that is minus infinity to minus 4 by 3, and here union of 1 to plus infinity this, but m is greater than 0, m is greater than 0, so that m belongs greater than 0, so that these terms neglect, and m belongs 1 to infinity, but we find the least integral value, and here this m belongs 1 to infinity, so that require least value of m equal to 1, that is 2. This is our answer. Now question 3, for what value of a is the inequality ax square plus 2ax plus 0.5 greater than 0 valid throughout the number line. This inequality valid throughout the number line. For what value of a? We calculate the value of a. Here quadratic word does not write for the inequality. Here not quadratic word used. It means that leading coefficient a may be 0 or not 0. Leading coefficient a जो है may be 0 or not be 0. If case first, if leading coefficient a equal to 0, then putting the value of a 0 in the polynomial ax square plus 2ax plus 0.5. Here a equal to 0, this term 0, this term 0, and this is 0.5, that is greater than 0, is true for all value of x. Now, if a does not 0 in this case, a does not 0 in this case, this ax square plus 2ax 0.5, that is half greater than 0, a greater than 0 and d जो है in this case we take such type of situations. In this case d less than 0 and a greater than 0. If d less than 0, now d indiscriminate and d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac. Comparing this, b is the coefficient of x, that is 2a pi square minus 4, a equal to a and c equal to 0.5, that is half. Now 4a square and 2 to the 4, 2a less than 0. We take the common 2a, that is here 2a minus 1 less than 0, and a belongs 2a equal to 0, a equal to 0, and 2a minus 1 equal to 0, a is equal to half, a belongs 0 and half. But a is 0, so that our final answer जो है a belongs 0 and half. This is our final answer. Now double inequality, that is here inequality and here inequality, so that such type of inequality is known as double inequality. And biquadratic inequality, this is biquadratic, this is a quadratic, and this is also quadratic, so that this is a biquadratic inequality greater than equal to 5. Now solution of this such type of inequality we solve, we take separate terms. Now 3x square minus 7x plus 8 divided by x square minus 1. This is a greater than 1. This is a greater than 1. So that this is a greater than 1 right here. And after multiplying x square plus 1 here, that is 3x square minus 7x plus 8. And this comes here, x square plus 1. Now change the side, x square comes here, 3x square minus 2x square minus 7x, and here 8 minus 1 is equal to 7, that is greater than 0. Now indiscriminate b, d equal to b square minus 4ac. b is the coefficient of x. Here x minus 7 chi square and minus 4 a and c. 7 7 are 49 and 4 2 are 8. 7 are 56. This quantity is negative. This quantity is negative. This is the value of d, so that d is less than 0. D is less than 0. Now another these terms, 3x square minus 7x plus 8 divided by x square plus 1 less than equal to 2, here less than equal to 2. By multiplying this, 3x square minus 7x plus 8 less than equal to 2x square plus 2. Now I am changing the side, here 3x square, this comes here only x square minus 7x and 8 is then 6, this is less than equal to 0. And factorize x square minus 7x plus 6 less than 0 is x minus 6 and x minus 1. Now x minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6, and x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. And now taking this is a less than, this is a less than, we take the negative part, this part, and x belongs to 1 to 6, x belongs to x, so that final answer जो x belongs 1 and 6. This is our final result. Now we take this quadratic inequality, x square plus 3x plus 1 and x square plus 3x minus 3. Now let us suppose that x square plus 3x equal to t. We assume that x square plus 3x equal to t. Then our inequality become here. This is a t plus 1. This t minus 3 greater than equal to 5. Now we multiply this t square, t minus 3t, this is also t, and this becomes minus 3, and this comes out here minus 5 greater than equal to 0. Minus 5 greater than equal to 0. This is equal to t square minus 3 or minus 2t and 5, 3, 8 greater than equal to 0. Now factorize it. T square minus 2t minus 8 जाए 4 2 जाए t square minus 4t plus 2t minus 8. Here we take common t minus 4 and here plus 2, that is t minus 4. Now also take the common t minus 4, here t plus 2. Here t plus 2. This become t minus 4 and t plus 2. This become t minus 4 and t plus 2 greater than equal to 0. Now putting the value of t here, t equal to x square plus 3x minus 4, and here x square plus 3x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. Again factorize it. This x square plus 3x minus 4, 4 1 जा 4 and negative है तो 4 1 3. Here x square plus 4x minus x minus 4. Now we take common x here, x plus 4 and minus 1, that is x plus 4. Now x plus 4, here x minus 1, here x minus 1, x plus 4 and x minus 1. Now again factorize second, x square plus 3x plus 2, 2 1 जा 2, x square plus 2x plus x plus 2, here x x plus 2 and plus 1 x plus 2. Now x plus 2 and x plus 1. Here we write the factor of this factor x plus 4, x minus 1, this x plus 2 and x plus 1 greater than equal to 0. Greater than equal to 0. Now trace this here. X equal to x plus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4. Here minus 4. X plus 2 x minus 2. X plus 1 minus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0. X plus minus 1 and x1. Now greater than, we take the positive regions, these regions minus, plus, minus, plus. Now x belongs to minus infinity to minus 4. X belongs minus infinity to minus 4. Union minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. And this union here 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity. This is our answer. Now, modulus inequality, it means that this lines that is known as mod, and if such type of problem is known as modulus inequality. Here, mod means if you take negative, that is also positive, and if you take positive, that is also positive. So that x square minus 3x minus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1. This can be written as minus 3. This greater than minus 3 and less than 3. Here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. d equal to जो है b square minus 4ac. b square and 1 का square minus 4, a means 1 into 1. 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. So that d less than d minus 3, that is minus 3, d less than 0. d less than 0 and a greater than this. If we take this part and this part, minus 3 x square minus 3x minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus x plus 1 and on multiply, we get 0 less than 4x square plus 2. 4x square plus 2 greater than 0, so that x belongs to R. And here we take second part, and this multiply this 3x square plus 3x plus 3 and here 0, this term transferred to here 2x square plus 6x plus 4. This term comes here, and this is greater than 0. After factorize, we get x plus 2 and x plus 1 greater than 0. Then x belongs to minus 1 and minus 2. Similarly, this inequality also is solved. Mod of x minus 5 greater than mod of this, both are mod. a greater than 0 and d less, here also d less than 0, d equal to b square minus 4ac. And now we take this part x equal to 5 negative, and that is a negative and that is positive. Here if x greater than equal to 5, x greater than equal to 5, in this case x minus 5 is equal to this, and after change the side and we get x square minus 4x plus 14, that is this, and after factorize here no any term, this is equal to 5 and here also 5, thus no solution possible in this case. Now like, subscribe and share videos with your friends. Thank you.